Welcome back to Just Cook Damn It. Today I'm making a big bowl of butter beans and rice. Oh my god. So here are the ingredients because I pre-prepped all my ingredients in advance. So with the andouille sausages, I placed those in a pot with some olive oil on medium heat and browned them. Once they were browned, I placed them on a plate to the side and added my trinity: celery, pepper, onions. I cooked those until the onions were translucent. Added in some Cajun seasoning. Added my garlic in. Of course, you know how I feel about garlic. Garlic goes into a lot of dishes and more. And either some cornstarch or flour. In my case, I put some cornstarch. Throw in your pre-soaked butter beans. Give those a good mix. After that, you take 2 containers of chicken broth and mix that in. Throw back in your sausages. Placing some turkey neck bones. Adding in some thyme. 2 bay leaves. And last but not least, a couple of slices of butter. Place the lid back on, and I made sure that this is on a simmer and let this cook down for a couple of hours. And this is what you got. So now all that you need to do is get a spoon, dip it in, and enjoy. Because I sure as heck did. Butter beans and rice. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always,